Get ready to boost your portfolio, as NorthFlow Finance AI just uncovered 3 explosive TSX stock signals that are trending upwards. Let's dive in and explore these game-changing opportunities. We're diving into the first of 3 exciting TSX stocks that have caught our attention, and it's Moon.V, which has just triggered a very interesting signal, the MA Golden Cross with a volume surge. This is a significant development that warrants a closer look. The stock is currently trading at $8.58. The MA Golden Cross signal is a powerful indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge, it suggests that investors are taking notice. The current price of $8.58 is supported by a relatively neutral RSI reading of 58.3, which indicates that the stock is not overbought or oversold, leaving room for further momentum. The volume surge of 50.8% is a notable increase, indicating strong investor conviction. This surge in volume tells us that investors are becoming more confident in the stock's prospects, and it's not just a few large players driving the action. This unusual volume activity could be a sign of institutional interest, which would be a major catalyst for the stock's price. The fact that volume has increased so significantly suggests that investors are eager to get in on the action. Recently, Blue Moon Metals made headlines by announcing a major agreement to combine one of its key units with a venture backed by Alpha Future Funds, which is a significant development for the company. This deal has the potential to unlock new value for shareholders and drive growth. Viewers should watch for further signs of momentum and keep an eye on key levels, such as the stock's moving averages. A continued increase in volume and a rising price would be a very bullish sign. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at TOI.V, a stock that's caught our attention with a MACD bullish crossover, paired with a notable volume surge. This signal suggests a potential shift in momentum, and we're excited to dive deeper into the details. The current price of $92.55 is an important level to watch. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge of 36.8%, it's clear that investors are taking notice. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is sitting at 45.9, which puts it squarely in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests that there's still room for momentum to build, and the volume surge tells us that investor conviction is growing. The fact that the RSI is not yet in overbought territory is a positive sign, as it indicates that the stock has not yet reached excessive levels. This volume change is unusual activity, and it may signal that institutional investors are starting to take a closer look at TOI.V. A 36.8% increase in volume is a significant move, and it's likely that we'll see more interest in the stock as a result. Recent analysis suggests that some TSX stocks, including TOI.V, may be undervalued, which could be a major catalyst for growth. This undervaluation, combined with the bullish crossover, makes for a compelling story. As investors look for opportunities to capitalize on mispriced stocks, TOI.V is definitely one to watch. Viewers should keep a close eye on the stock's ability to hold its current price level, and watch for any further signs of institutional buying. A breakout above key resistance levels could be a major bullish signal, so we'll be watching this stock closely. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at Manulife Financial, trading on the TSX as MFC, which has just triggered a MACD bullish crossover signal, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is a powerful combination that's definitely caught our attention. The stock is currently trading at $60.48. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indication of a potential trend reversal, and when you combine that with the current price, it's definitely something to take notice of. The RSI is sitting at 81.8, which puts it firmly in overbought territory, suggesting that momentum is strongly in favor of the bulls. The volume surge of 36% is also a key factor here, as it tells us that investors are conviction buyers, eager to get in on the action. This level of volume is a clear indication that investors are committed to this stock. The volume change we're seeing is unusual activity, and it might signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of Manulife Financial. A surge like this can often be a sign of bigger things to come. Recently, we've seen Manulife outperform the rest of the industry, hitting a 52-week high, which is a great sign for investors looking to play the stock. This recent outperformance is likely connected to the bullish crossover signal we're seeing, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Viewers should watch for continued momentum and a potential test of key resistance levels. A break above these levels could be a significant catalyst for further gains. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Subscribe for more, and remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research.